Yo, we're back with another one. Stick to the end to get that last value point that I'm going to drop. But yeah, this is the trade recap from the trade that we took today. What's going on? We won. 1-0 on the week. Probably not going to be trading for the rest of the day. Trade we got is actually on GJ. I'm just going to go over exactly what we saw, how we did it, and how you could have done it too. Waking up this morning, in fact, I was actually going to take a trade on gold. I'll go over that at the end. I was like, cool, daily is bullish. You can check the weekly analysis that I just posted like last night. We said that gold is bullish on the daily. On the 4-hour, we were also bullish, right? We did see this nice impulse down, which was good for us because that's the move that essentially allowed for us to know that we're going to head on higher today. What we notice here is the fact that gold actually breaks structure internally to the downside, right? However, we're maintaining 4-hour and daily structure. So what does that tell us? If we want to actually see this hourly break of structure become some form of valid structure on higher time frames, we like to see it respect its own PD arrays. However, just like last time, it's a very similar trade from last GJ's trade that I said I made 3.5R on, or 3R, I don't remember exactly. We had an order block that was created from the hourly internal break of structure, and this order block was mitigated during London session, and in essence the order block did not do anything, could not even result in a singular 15-minute break of structure. So come New York open, we get a 15-minute break of structure to the upside, where we also get a 5-minute break and an internal fair value gap within here. So for me, my entry signal was pretty much 15-minute broke. Well, didn't break when I entered, but we were headed there. But the 5-minute had broke. That's what I used. I noticed that this 5-minute broke. However, this order block was not respected, or any lower time frame PD arrays were not respected because, as you can see here, we reacted off the fair value gap, but then we reacted off this internal order block that was created on the retracement. So we swept out all the buyers from here. Mind you, I don't make any trades before 8 a.m. in general. So we sweep out all the buyers from here, and then we break structure to the upside. This time around, mitigating this fair value gap here that was seen on the 5-minute. And after mitigating this 5-minute fair value gap, I notice that our 1-minute is about to break structure, and we're also about to invalidate this 1-minute order block that was created from this impulse downwards. At that point, I've seen this leg here, seen this down candle, and I've seen this first up candle. So I've said pretty much as price goes higher, pretty much just going to send it, because if price decides to not continue on down from here, odds are it's going to invalidate the order block and head on higher. That's pretty much what we used today. So we had our daily bullish, our 4-hour bullish, our 15-minute bullish, our 5-minute bullish, our 1-minute bullish. The only thing that was not bullish was the 1-hour. However, the 1-hour has made an order block that was not being validated by structure. Instead, it was being invalidated. So that's what led to the good trade. I'll be honest, risk to reward here was actually quite solid. I'm not going to lie, I had a runner till here. But as far as the Discord knows, what happened was this is a trade that I sent out. And yeah, I mean, we hit all take profits within nothing, maybe 15 minutes. Great trade overall. They probably even took profit up in here, but whatever. The Discord is free. I'm not trying to sell you on it, so you can join anytime. I'll help you out for free. Even if you need mentorship, we can talk and get on a call all for free. Trade that I actually wanted to take though this morning, in fact, funny enough, was this trade on gold. I wanted to short gold, and these are all the take profits that I'd marked in pre-market. It was around like 7:30, and I saw that gold on the 4-hour had just took all-time highs here, and in the weekly analysis, I said that we would likely mitigate this fair value gap within here, or at least go for some form of equilibrium or retracement. I was like, cool. What I would really like to see is one, gold break hourly structure and trade the lower time frames, but also target these key areas like this order block right here, this area of liquidity, maybe even come all the way down into here. But the whole idea for me was these three were higher likelihood than coming all the way down here today, especially with impulse. So what I said was, upon the hourly break of structure at 7 o'clock, that's when I marked all this stuff out. I pretty much did a detailed view of this. I said, here we have our order block right here. We have a 5-minute supply zone right here, just in case we do take it. Honestly, I could have found shorts within here, but not even a good idea in my opinion, considering that New York just opened. But yeah, the whole idea was we broke structure here around 7 o'clock. And for me, that was, okay, we're bearish. If we can give me a nice retracement coming into market open and give me structure saying that we're headed downwards, I would love to take a short and take out all of these areas of liquidity that's been well built. But price just left without us, happened. And I wasn't going to chase price because by the time I woke back up, it was about like 8:05, I think. Yeah, I fell asleep. I pretty much even found the GJ trade like literally 7 minutes into me waking up. But yeah, this in fact could head on higher. But yeah, not going to get into that. But yeah, this trade, the directional bias played out, but we just didn't get the entry that we wanted. How could you have traded it if you really wanted to push? You likely could have. I don't see any type of entry here would have been really pushing the barrel. So yeah, I don't see much here for as far as entry. The only entry that I would have liked would have been back into this area or back into the order block, taking out this liquidity within here. That would have been nice, but we didn't get that. So yeah, see you guys in the next one. The Discord got the trade, as you guys can see. Pretty much literally alerted it to them right as I got in. These were the take profits. So by the time I even sent the first take profit to them, we'd already been past it. So I was like, oh, well, I guess might as well take profit a little bit higher. But yeah, this was the extendo for me. But moving on, played out really well. We're 1-0 in the week, up 3.5 R. One could say they had a great weekend stop. So yeah, we're not trading. Let's go to Forex Factory so that we can see if we're going to be trading tomorrow. I know Wednesday we're not trading. Tomorrow Canadian CPI comes out. That sometimes tends to be a very violent move. So maybe we take our time and maybe trade the S&P or NASDAQ, but I'm not probably going to be pushing too hard tomorrow. I'm definitely not trading Wednesday. Don't trade on FOMC. You're not that good, and you're most likely going to get stopped out or liquidated. Thursday, we're good to go. It's unemployment claims. We like to see that. Friday, we're also good to go. Yeah. So it's going to be a good week. We have probably 3 trading days, most likely 3 to 4. So yeah, good shit. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Like, follow, and subscribe. And join the Discord if you want to work out with me personally for free.